Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For easier access when replacing a drawer roller in your refrigerator, first remove the lower glass shelf. Now fully remove the appropriate drawer. If replacing the roller on the drawer itself, use needle nose pliers to depress the tabs to release the mounting pin, and you can remove the old roller. Install the new drawer roller by aligning it on the drawer, then insert the pin and snap it into place. To replace a slide rail roller, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the roller from the rail. Align the new roller and thread the screw to secure. Replace the drawer and confirm that it moves freely. Replace the lower glass shelf if applicable.